when the Dutch came in, they were not the angels the locals were looking for. They rather extended the structures and took in more captives. Materials for construction, most were imported, and the color of the brick would help us know which side of the castle was built by the Portuguese and which side of it was done by the Dutch. All the red bricks you see are Portuguese. All yellow bricks are Dutch. Before the 1500s, the rooms on the ground floor were being used as storerooms or warehouses as planned. Converted to holding places where the Africans were kept. At the peak of it, the whole structure will talk of a minimum of about 1,000 at a time. 600 of them men on this side, 400 women right in there. This is an old Dutch. The whole name is L.G. van Tet. The man Tet came from Zeeland in Netherlands, and he was the last Director General of the West Indies Company. He took charge over the north and the southern coast of Africa. 16th January 1758 he arrived, but on 12th of March same year he died at the age of 41, and down here he was buried. At the time, A. Andrese was the pastor, and this pastor came from Vera in Zeeland. He wrote something small about the governor Tet. And what was he saying? The governor was just, honest, respectable, and virtuous. And how virtuous he was at the time of slavery, nobody could explain.
Apocalyptum que apocatastasi. Apoca.